Sustainable investing is not just a trend, it's the future. Investors are making money while saving the planet. Want to know how? Let's explore the best ESG, environmental, social governance investments, and why big companies are going green. Welcome back to our channel today. What if you could grow your wealth while saving the planet? That's exactly what sustainable investing is all about. Billion-dollar companies and smart investors are shifting their money into green finance. Why? Because the future is sustainable. In this video, I'll show you how green finance is changing the world, why ESG, environmental, social governance investing is booming, and how you can profit from it. Part 1. What is green and sustainable finance? Number 1. Understanding green finance. Green finance is all about investing in businesses and projects that are good for the environment. Think of companies that build solar panels, electric vehicles, or even banks that fund eco-friendly projects. Governments, big investors, and everyday people are putting billions into green finance, and it's growing faster than ever. Number 2. The rise of ESG investing. ESG investing stands for environmental, social, and governance investing. It's a way to invest in companies that care about sustainability, fair wages, and ethical business practices. And guess what? ESG stocks have outperformed traditional stocks in recent years, meaning you can make money while supporting a better future. Part 2. How big companies are going green. Number 1. Tesla. The EV revolution. Tesla isn't just making electric cars, it's leading the green revolution. With more countries pushing for electric vehicles, Tesla and other EV companies like Rivian and Lucid Motors are set to grow massively. Investors who got in early on, Tesla saw insane returns. Number 2. Big banks and green bonds. Even banks are going green. Major financial institutions like Goldman Sachs and JP Morgan Chase are investing billions into sustainable projects through green bonds. These bonds fund clean energy, water conservation, and eco-friendly infrastructure. Number 3. Renewable energy stocks. Fossil fuels are dying. Renewable energy is the future. Companies like Nextera Energy and Enphase Energy are leading the solar and wind power revolution. With governments pushing for clean energy, these stocks are set to explode in value. Part 3. How you can invest in green finance. Number 1. Buy ESG stocks and ETFs. Want to start investing in sustainability? You don't have to pick individual stocks. ESG ETFs like the Vanguard ESG US Stock ETF, ESGV, let you invest in dozens of ethical companies at once. Number 2. Invest in green crypto and blockchain. Crypto can be bad for the environment, but new eco-friendly cryptos are changing that. Look at projects like Chia, XCH, and Algorand ALGO, which use sustainable mining techniques. Number 3. Support green startups. Green startups are popping up everywhere. Platforms like Kickstarter and AngelList let you invest early in companies focused on sustainability. These startups could be the Teslas of the future. Part 4. The future of sustainable investing. The green revolution is just getting started. Governments are setting carbon-free goals. Major investors are shifting to ESG funds, and technology is making sustainability profitable. In the next decade, the biggest winners in finance might just be those who invest in a cleaner, greener future. Are you ready to invest in the future? If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more money-making investment tips. Let me know in the comments. What's your favorite sustainable investment right now? See you in the next video.